What's good, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you this electric toothbrush with 3 heads, a licking and tartar tool, as well as 2 tartar heads. 31,000 vibrations per minute, so it's sonic, high frequency, and 5 modes. And it is rechargeable and waterproof. Stay tuned for the whole video. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at this waterproof electric teeth toothbrush. It's got 2 heads. One is for the tartar removal and the other one is just a regular toothpaste. It's fast charging, but then again, each charge is going to last you quite a while. I don't know about you guys, but I like to brush my teeth in the shower, and this is waterproof. It does come in different colors. We have the white version. Let's open it up and test it out. All right, so we have our main device here. Hear it? This is on the soft setting. This is on the comfort, standard, strong and pulsating, super strong, and it's pulsating, doing stuff. Now you can't really see much happening on the head because this is a sonic toothpaste. Now you also get this essentially just shows you inside your mouth. You get 3 heads and 2 of the tartar removals, as well as a USB-C. So this is basically how to remove it. See that? With one hand, this comes off, and then the other head comes on. There we go. You can kind of see it. 3, 4, 5. So this is the tartar remover. Now you want to be careful when you go around your teeth with this, right? And you will bleed. Well, at least I probably will because I don't floss that often. But this is nice and convenient. So let's go and do soft. I have the most tartar actually on the inside. So for me, the consensus is that electric toothbrushes are definitely good. I've been using them for years. Yeah, with the manual brush, you do get the feeling of like you're getting more accomplished, more done, but that's actually not the case. You just need to hold it gently over your teeth. You do not want to go on your gums because then you're just gonna recess your gums and gums will not grow back. But anyway, so this electric toothbrush definitely does the job, and I do like this previous brush that I did have because it broke, did not do it. This is the broad, and that's the more expensive one. That one was like 3 times more expensive than this one. So I'm gonna stick with these ones. So that's my consensus. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.